Dudes and dudettes, here we are, RBM. We got another motorcycle. Now that the Buell's done and on the road and running like a bat out of hell, got a buddy of mine who had some issues with his motorcycle. The FXR 85, beautiful piece of machinery. Best frame Harley Davidson ever created for its bikes.
Scared the shit out of them and they stopped making them.
Yeah, they couldn't realize that they were doing something right, so they decided to get rid of the FXR and make it an FXB, an FXD, and all the other FXs. Best frame, we're going to do some things to it. One, we're going to check out the front forks, make sure all the seals are properly done, and probably replace them, fill them with oil. He has some electrical he has to have done to it. 2 new blinkers in the back. Have to redo the wiring on the handlebars. So this is going to take about 3 or 4 days or evenings along the road, and we're going to have it all done for you. So we'd like to introduce to you the owner of this beautiful piece of machinery, the other Mr. R. Come on down.
Exit stage left.
So this is the owner of this beautiful bike.
Hi there.
Mr. R2. He's put his faith into our hands. Stupid, but okay. To fix his bike. He knows it's going to take a few days, but that's okay. He's got the time. The weather isn't really all there, and he likes to keep his bike nice and dry on the road. Isn't that right?
Yeah, that's right. Absolutely.
Yeah.
The best place in town.
That's definitely.
The garage.
Yeah, his garage. Yeah, that's the best place to have his bike when it's raining. So let's get started. So the first thing we had to check out to see if there was play in the triples. So what we did was we lifted up the bike with a lift, and then we got the front end and we wiggled it up and down, held onto the handlebars, and you could feel a little tick in it. So that means that there's play in the triples, and this is what it looks like. So right there, what we're going to try first is see if it's just loose. If we can just tighten it a tad and see if we can get the play out. If not, then the bearings are shot, and we're going to have to take the whole thing apart and replace the bearings. Good and tight.
That's pretty tight. I'm not doing anything.
Keep your hands off it.
Hello. My hand's been everywhere.
Yeah, that's
That's the whole problem. You don't want your hands all over the place.
I didn't know, but
all right, somebody hold the bike.
All right.
I think it's going.
No, I got a little tiny tick. Next video, you're wearing a straight jacket, by the way. So I have to remove these two.
No, just loosen.
Well, yeah, loosen. Sorry. I'm going to crack all the bolts, because while it's in there it's easier to loosen. Yeah, you got it all loose? And now we can pull out the axle. So we took the wheel out of the bike. That wasn't so hard. And obviously I didn't push record hard enough, so you guys didn't get to see it. That's right. Cut the brake line.
Yeah,
They won't notice.
it's a Harley.
That's right.
Doesn't have any brakes.
Yeah.
No mercy.
Hello, awesome viewers. Welcome again. You see me. You must be happy.
It's completely loose.
Oh.
That's why it wasn't.
Oh, so that one was loose.
That one was loose. You probably don't have to do that.
No.
Ah, just now hand tighten it. It was like this.
Yeah. That's why it was moving.
Just slowly, because you can't feel anything. You can feel it hooking?
Yeah, it's
And
going. It wants to go.
No. You can feel it's tighter on the right and on the left.
It's tighter on the right than on the left?
Yeah. So
Oh, yeah, it is.
a little bit.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Oh, got it. I got it.
Okay, so now you have to just stop and loosen it a little bit.
Nou, dat was eerst een beetje...
Okay, I'm recording this, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use it to...
It's okay, she already hates me. Go.
Dudes and dudettes, we did it again. Actually, we didn't do shit. What we did was we took off the front forks because we saw that there was a little play, a little tick in the front end. So we figured that the bearings were probably shot on the triples. So what we did was we took it apart, took the triple apart, and then we noticed, and Mr. B noticed, that the bolt that holds the bottom triple on was a little loose. So we just fractionally tightened it. So it's getting late. We have an early start tomorrow for our regular jobs. So next time what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the forks back in and see how the play is then. Then we're gonna tighten it all down, see if we still got it. That way we'll know for sure if we're gonna need new bearings or not. Maybe not. So stick around for the next episode of the Harley Davidson FXR. Later. Dudes and dudettes.